141. Let's hit it, boys. Yeah. On those legs. All the way through. 250 left. Hit it. Send them on their bow ball. Let's go, boys. Iggy's 3 lengths away. They already started their sprint, boys. Walk on them now. Yeah, boys. 200 left. 200 left. Keep on it hard. Nice and tall. Let's go. Squeeze out every last little bit, boys. You got this. Let's go, boys. Yeah, Westerville's gone. They are nothing now. Let's go, boys. 150. Hit it. Open those tanks up. 142. I need lower. Let's go, boys. Yeah, boys. Keep it up all the way. Send it. Let's go, boys. All the way through. Nice work. Keep it up. Last 50 meters right here. 50 meters, boys. Let's go. Nice and tall. Back those blades in. Let's go, boys. Keep it sending. On those legs. There we go, boys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Ready? And go paddle, paddle, paddle. And here, wait up, wait up, wait up, wait up, wait up. $17.20. Good race, Westerville. Good race. Good job, fellas. Hold on, let me pull up stats real quick. Oh, I just turned the speed. Good race, UA. What? Good race. Oh, yeah, fun. All right, boys, nice work.